Citrus seed extract is rich in vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin C. It can help digestion, clean stomach, promote appetite. Both naringenin and hesperidin, which are the aglycones of naringin and hesperidin, occur naturally in citrus fruits.